Morning and good afternoon, kids. This is Teacher Gigi. How are you today? So, for today, it is Science Day, and we're going to learn about mixing materials. Again, mixing materials. So, why do we make or mix new materials? Okay, so we mix or make a mixture of new materials to make new products, objects, and food that can help us in our everyday life. Okay, so what are the examples of mixing materials? Number one, we have coconut milk and sugar. So it says that coconut milk has a nice smell, but it is not sweet. But if we put together coconut milk and sugar, we can use it to make Thai desserts. And we love Thai desserts, right? We love to eat sweets. Okay, so again, for number one, we have coconut milk and sugar. So when we combine or mix one or two materials, it is called as a mixture. Again, when we combine two or more materials, it is called as mixture. Number two. So plaster is used as a molding to make an object. And paper pulp absorbs water and it has no peak shape when it is wet. So when we combine plaster and paper pulp, we can make paper mache objects, just like this paper mache balloon and paper mache bowl. So we can put candies or chocolate or some stuff that we like. Okay, so again, we use plaster and paper pulps to make paper mache. Next, another example is cement, sand, stones, and water. So these four materials is the four main materials we can use to create buildings or houses. So cement is a powder that is mixed in with other materials to form a strong object. Sand can be shaped into sculpture. Stones are hard materials and water is a liquid and it has no fixed shape. So if we combine this together and make it as a mixture, we can make or construct buildings or houses. Okay, so cement, sand, stones, and water are mixed to make concrete. So concrete is used in construction industry to build houses and pavements. So what are the other examples? So we have here a wood, metal, and rubber eraser. So if we combine these three materials, we can make a pencil. Another example, we have rice, mixed vegetables, hot dogs, and garlic and onion. And if we mix it together, we can make a fried rice. Another example is wood and metal. Combined together, we can make a chair or a table. And another one is glass and plastic. So we can use it to make pictures, glasses that we can use in our kitchen. Okay. So now let's talk about your activity of the day. So please get your workbook and open it on page 38. Okay. So for today's activity, we are going to answer the crossword puzzle. So we have here the possible answers. We have plaster, strong, cement, plywood, metal, and mixture. So you're going to write or you're going to answer two answers. So one for the crossword puzzles and one to fill in the blanks. Okay? So for example, number 1, coconut milk and sugar blank is an important ingredient in many Thai desserts. So you're going to look here. Number 1. So what word has letter X and letter R? Is it plaster, strong, cement, plywood, metal, or mixture? Okay, so number 1 and number 1 across. So they have the same answer. So which word has letter X and letter R? Okay, very good. So the correct answer is mixture. So you're going to write your answer on the blank and on the crossword puzzle. So what are the missing letters? We have M, I, X, T, U, R, and E. Alright, so that is your activity for today. I'll see you next week. Bye bye.